value our relationship with ImageQuest. Clearly Pivotel, the whole family of companies, so much. We can't do it without you guys and your support. I have an amazing amount of security and confidence in all that you guys do to help support us. Obviously our infrastructure is one of those ones we kind of like split the managed services. We don't have, you know, a huge budget for things, so being able to leverage you guys as partners and use your systems that you thankfully administer for us makes it wonderful. I'm always kind of looking for other ways to, you know, to further the relationship and everything, but we appreciate you guys and all that you do, and IT is, you know, always one of those departments and things that goes underappreciated, right? No one cares about it until it doesn't work, but we know that you guys are always here in the background for us, and we appreciate it. We appreciate all that you guys do, and we're excited to be a part of the family and as you guys grow as well. And so just thank you. I have security knowing that you guys have my back on all of our back end.